Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. Okay, so here we have to figure out which of these statements must be true. So the first statement, the product of a complex number with its conjugate yields a real result. Let us take a complex number a plus ib. Its conjugate is a minus ib. So the product of that, so over here it is a plus b times a minus b. That is a square minus b square. Okay, a square over is a square and b square is I square b square. What is I square? I square is minus 1. So this is a square plus b square. Okay, because minus 1 times minus 1 becomes plus 1. So a plus ib times a minus ib equals to a square plus b square, which is a real number. So the product of a complex number with its conjugate will always give me a real number. So the statement 1 is correct. So statement 1 is true. So we have put a tick here for statement 1 because it is true. Now looking at statement 2, it says if sum of two complex numbers is real, then the two numbers must be conjugates. So if I do a plus ib plus a minus ib cancels out, I get 2a. But this is not true. This is true always when two conjugate numbers are added, it will give me real. But the vice versa is not true. Because it's saying if sum of two complex numbers is real, let the two complex numbers be 5 plus 2i and 7 minus 2i. If I add them, 5 plus 2i and 7 minus 2i are not conjugates. Conjugate of 5 plus 2i is 5 minus 2i. Okay, so over here 2i will be getting cancelled and 5 plus 7 is 12. So these are not conjugates. Still it is giving me a real number. So statement 2 is not true in all the cases. Okay, or statement 2 is not correct. Now looking at statement 3, if I raised to p minus q is 1, then p is greater than q. Over here if we put p equal to q, this becomes I raised to 0, which is 1. So in this case, when p equals to q, this is true. That means then p greater than q is not always correct when this is the case. That means statement 3 is also incorrect. Okay, so only statement 1 is correct. So only one is always true. Okay, or only one is correct. Okay, so this is the correct answer. All right, this is how we solve this question.